In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly AI to avoid common grammar mistakes. Whether you're polishing an essay, drafting an email, or refining a report, these steps will show you how to get clear, confident writing with help from Grammarly's AI. First, open the Grammarly app. You'll land on your workspace, where you can keep all your drafts in one place. Click New Document to begin. Starting fresh gives you a clean canvas, but you can also paste existing text if you want immediate feedback. Begin typing right in the editor. Don't worry about being perfect on the first pass. Grammarly is designed to catch common issues as you go. If you don't see much feedback yet, add a few sentences so the AI has enough context to analyze your writing. As you write, look for colored underlines. Red usually marks grammar, spelling, or punctuation mistakes. Blue highlights clarity and style suggestions, like wordiness or awkward phrasing. These colors help you quickly see what needs attention and what might improve readability. It's normal to see more blue as your ideas grow longer or more complex. That's the AI flagging places where shorter, clearer wording could help. When you spot an underline, click it to review the recommendation. Grammarly will show you a suggested fix and a brief explanation of why it's being flagged. This is especially useful for common errors like subject-verb agreement, missing commas, or confusing sentence structure. Take a moment to read the explanation. It not only improves your current draft, but also teaches you what to watch for next time. If the suggestion looks right, click to accept and it will apply automatically. You can also edit the sentence manually if you prefer a different wording that still resolves the issue. If something doesn't match your voice or intent, you can dismiss it. Remember, the goal is to improve clarity and correctness while keeping your meaning intact. To tailor feedback, use goals and settings. Choose the style that fits your task: formal for professional or academic writing, casual for everyday messages, or academic when you need precision and rigor. Grammarly's AI will prioritize suggestions that match your selected tone and expectations. You can then open the AI chat and ask for targeted help, like, make this more formal while keeping my meaning, or check for common grammar mistakes and tighten clarity. The AI will refine your draft based on the goals you set, so your final piece feels consistent and polished. That's it. Open the app, start writing, review and accept smart suggestions, and fine-tune with goals and AI chat to avoid common grammar mistakes every time.